Hi! In front of me is Honor 90 and today I would like to show you how you can check a password added to Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Passwords Manager. Following that, to check one of your added passwords, click on the chosen one, enter your current login method, and tap on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!